Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Modern Warfare 2 campaign. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To start with, if you want to be on this main menu page here, and you want to just scroll down to the bottom here, you'll find these three options, and we're just going to select the first one on the Warfare 2. From here we scroll down to the bottom once again and campaign. From here we can resume our game if we'd already started one. If not, you can just click the new game, and you can also select what mission you want as well. So if you were playing campaign for the first time, you would just select new game, click I understand, and from here it will ask you to restart. So what you have to do is you just restart and let it load for like 5 minutes, and after that you'll be in the campaign ready to play it. If you then want to leave, come back to any time, you can simply just leave, make sure it's saved, and then if you want to resume game again, you can just click here resume game, and you can click proceed to carry on playing. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.